Good morning, all. Just wanted to show a trifold junk journal. Little, I don't know, it's just a nice little junk journal that's chunky. This is Yvonne Preston's idea. This is her trifold, and we'll get into this in just a minute. But anyway, so there's lots of goodness in here. So basically, the whole thing is put together using Yvonne's ideas and then our paper selections and where we put them, and then our tags and things are a little different too. So there's a pamphlet stitch holding the journal in the book. Tracie Fox nature labels here on the front. This is a tag that flips out, and this is actually part of the digital, and then some sewn. So all my tags are sewn and coffee papered, backed on the outside there, on the back side I should say. So let me open this up. We'll start from the beginning here. Again, Nature's Remedies digital collection here. This was a collaboration between Tracie Fox and Artymaze. So all the pieces that are in here came from that kit alone. I don't believe that there's anything extra in here. So we have the little tickets with the herbs on them, a couple of pieces of the ephemera, and the envelope. Let me put those right over here. In the envelope, I made a little tracing paper little envelope. And I put a couple of the other, what do you call them? The little stamps that I didn't use. So those are in there. I may add a few more pieces just to add some fun to that. So that's going to go in there. That'll go back there. And then, so this front section is the journal. I did this similarly as she did. Actually, I used one of the stamps up here too with a little piece of, it's not, well, it's just a loose weave cotton anyway. So just like Yvonne, I also backed a piece of the copy paper. Actually, I used the 32-pound paper for most of everything in here except for the coffee dye. So I just centered the cut here. This is an 8-inch tall by, yeah, 4, I guess it's 4¼ or 4, I think, just so it would fit within. So 8 by 4¼ for the journal. And then as we flip through, just one of the postcards. The herbal came in the kit. This is, oh, actually, this is an Artymaze digital that I tried out, and just because of the blues, I stuck that in there on this tag. And the digitals are really, really pretty. I love the botanical images. We'll just leave that out for now. Paper again, double-sided. The envelopes were part of the kit. Tracie Fox labels here. Inside the envelopes are just folded pieces of paper. There's nothing special. So this was part of the kit. I did create the faux tape using alcohol inks. I think it was caramel. It could have been one of the lattes or one of those browns. Anyway, so I made that and made that. I love the looks of the old tape. So again, centered this image to be used in the book. Another tag that is stitched. Butterfly can actually kind of pop up here, but it flattens out inside the album. And then a book image from a gardening book that I have. I do have some plant-based stamps that I use throughout, and then another envelope, another ticket, or not ticket, another label from Tracie, one of my stamps, and then this is just a tag that's placed behind that. Again, some more old tape, another pocket. Again, this is all part of the kit. It comes together. It's a great big huge kit, and it's fantastic. And another one of my stamps, another one of the envelopes, and then I put one of the little stamps and actually did my own stamping right there also. Another beautiful image, more images. I love the lavender. And then the back of the journal. So that takes care of the whole journal there. And this is the trifold part, which is so much fun. I fell in love with this when I saw Yvonne's project that she shared. So one of the butterfly stamps here, I just used a die and kind of like centered that out of one of the digital papers and cut that. This was originally supposed to be a trifold. In the collection, I just used these 2 pages and then glued that. I didn't make it a trifold. I do have a trifold that's in here though. So again, beautiful pieces of paper and imagery. When we open this up, I have 2 more of the botanical tags in here. This is an idea from Artymaze, where she used the embossing powder and made these like charms basically, and then just attached. Put up with the card seed is actually from just a piece of the paper, and I cut that out and inked it, and then that is from the collection also. So this is an envelope, and in Yvonne's video she shows how to make this. There's a 3-part video series which I will link below. So this is a double windowed envelope, and then I also, while the envelope was open, I centered this image with inside that so that you would have something to look at if you took this out. So another sewn tag, coffee dyed paper on the back that just slides in nice and easy. And then that's actually some vintage lace. These are not vintage, but that is vintage. And then this flips open. And then this is where we definitely differed on what we did. So 3 different excerpts from just paper. These aren't even official tags, but I cut them up and sewed them. And then they're just 3 different heights of tags in here. And then on this middle part, so again, 2 more of those charms just on jump rings attached to the lace. And then these tickets are part of the kit, and then I just glued them down. Just kind of like add some interest there. And then here is that same little, what's a book? Well, it's a library card, I guess. And this is the trifold. So I did print paper, or one of the backgrounds, and they have great backgrounds in their collection too. So I did double print the paper, and then just folded that up. I didn't punch the holes because I wanted them to make sure they lined up if I did, so I didn't. And again, that could be used for journaling also. And again, great images in this collaboration they came up with. So again, that flips like that. Again, this flips like that. Whoop, except for that's in the way. And then the whole booklet closes, and then this would be kept together with either some sari silk ribbon. There isn't anything punched in the back for holes. And let me just put those away. Hope you're enjoying this. And I will link Yvonne's series below my video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.